Hello everyone, Carputing here. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Noco Genius 10 Smart Car Battery Charger. This video is not sponsored or endorsed in any way, and I bought this product with my own money. This is a battery charger that I bought because I need something with the possibility to restore life to old, misused batteries. It can commonly be found on Amazon for $100 US, $120 off sale, or 160 Canadian regularly. You're provided with a black box that's contained in the main box, which is further plastic wrapped. I feel like whoever designed the packaging should be given a pat on the back, because I feel like the most reckless FedEx driver could throw this on your porch from the end of your driveway in this packaging, and it would probably hold up. The main unit itself weighs 3.33 pounds. The unit is also IP65 dust and water resistant. It will work with 6V or 12V batteries up to 230 amp hours. It charges units at 10 amps and outputs a max of 150 watts. It works with normal flooded batteries, AGM batteries, lithium batteries with BMS systems, and it comes with a 3-year warranty from the manufacturer. Included is a little pamphlet. You can browse different accessories that are not included with the main unit, but will provide additional functionality. Inside the packaging is the main unit, as mentioned, hefty at 3.33 pounds. I doubt they're wasting space inside of the main case. The Genius 10 has a black wire leading to the wall for power, and also has a red and black lead that leads to the quick disconnect. Here's where you'll attach the included battery connecting clamps. They seem very well made with a strong spring and good quality plastic. While I'm not too personally picky where my product is made or designed, this product claims to be designed in the USA, but on the packaging it says made in Vietnam, but on the Amazon listing it said made in China, so take that as you will. When adjusting the clips, there is no play in them. They're very well designed with a strong spring and good quality plastics. They have tight tolerances, and as you can see here, this is where you'd unbolt the clamps from the wire, and you could attach this directly to your car battery. There are also separate attachments for this, but it's nice that you can do it with the included wires also. There is an inline fuse rated for 20 amps, which is an additional safety feature, and as this unit itself is only rated for 10 amps, it should never blow as long as something doesn't go wrong. Here you can see the quick connect and quick disconnect function. When you want to connect it, lift the latch, connect them together, you're good to go. When you're done, lift the latch again, pull it apart, simple as that. The final piece of the kit included is the mount. It's Velcro with hard plastic on the back and comes with self-tapping screws, so you can easily mount your Genius 10 to your car's firewall or somewhere in your garage. There's also a little included booklet that describes all the features and functions of the device. It's not too picky on how you connect it. I typically connect the positive first, then the ground, then I plug it into the wall. From there, the unit will be on standby mode by default. Pressing the mode button will switch between 12V, 12V AGM, and 12V lithium modes. Holding the button for a few seconds will bring you to the second tier of modes, allowing you to switch between 6V, 6V AGM, 12V supply, and 12V repair. The first 5 modes are fairly similar. They will charge their respective battery types. The last 2 modes work a bit different. 12V supply, as the name suggests, will put the device into a mode that supplies constant 12V power, useful if you want to test some car accessories in your house without a battery. The last mode, 12V repair mode, in my opinion, is the most interesting mode and the main reason to buy this device. After a while, as we know, to put it simply, car batteries wear out. This charger has a feature that can attempt to reverse the damage done over time to a battery. It's not always a guarantee, but it's more common than not to hear people online getting years extra out of a previously dead battery. Very good feature to have. If left to charge a battery, it can be left to run fully automatically, turning on to charge when needed and turning off when the battery is full. It can charge batteries with as low as 1V left in them, and even past that, you can put it into a force mode to force life back into completely dead batteries and try to revive them from there. This unit was released August 20th, 2019. I bought this on a whim because I wanted a smart battery charger, and the fact that it could repair 12V batteries seemed pretty interesting to me. It worked out, and I recommend this to anyone looking for a smart battery charger.